Hey there, IDK Fred here today, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a 223 Savage Access with a scope. So here we go. Okay. Nice looking gun right off the bat. Let's pull it out of this. Right here we have inside, just removed before use, nice Bushnell scope on it. The bolt is not in it, the clip is not in it, and we get a little warning here. This tag contains important information. It needs to be removed and la 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 la, empty of ammunition, ta-da. So we're just gonna pull this right off. Oh no. Okay. Now I think our bolt is right down in here. In this. Yep, we have our clip, and then we have a gun lock, earplugs, cleaner, what appears to be an Allen wrench, and instructions and manual. Then our bolt is right here in this red package. Okay. And I'm assuming this can go right on in. We will see here. Okay, we got the bolt in here, had to pull the trigger, press down on this piece. Now let's throw our clip in here just to see if it fits. We'll pull it back out and throw some ammunition in it. Okay, all looks good. Yeah, can't look down the scope that way. Let's throw some ammunition in here. I'm gonna be using some American Eagle 223 rim centerfire rifle cartridges. Okay, I think it takes about 4 in here and 1 in chamber. Okay, let's throw 5 in there to begin with, and let's try this out. Okay, safety is off. Loads in nice and smooth. And fires cleanly. So there we go. There is my new 223 Savage Access XP for the scope. Bushnell scope with American Eagle shots. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random stuff like this. And as always, I don't know. See ya.